Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya Metora and 77Nails Sunflower Water Slide Decals. Today I'm going to be using the E&A Pro Choice nail tips. I'm going to top them with some Orly Bonder here real quick. Give me something to work on top of. Something sticky base. And I'm just kind of working through my different sticky bases. And this is Zoya's Metora. Or Metora. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love this shade. It's a purpley like red. Oh, I just love it. You're not getting a good shot of it here. But oh my goodness. This one's delicious. It's so pretty. I love it, love it. Alright, first coat on and dried. Now we're going in with the second coat. And I could have got away with one coat. I really could have, but I'm a two-coat girl. So we're going to go ahead and do that second coat. Once it's dried down a little bit, I'm going to use the Moonshine Mini Let's Go top coat. And I'm going to set these to the side and let them dry for a little bit. And these are the 77 nail water slide decals. And I've cut out the pieces I want to use. I'm laying them on top of a stamper and using a little pipette. I'm dropping some drops of water on top of them. So glad to have learned this and not be chasing a water slide decal around in a cup of water anymore. Things just get better and better. Alright, so I'm just kind of tapping it. And I probably didn't even have to do that. I'm just being impatient, you guys. It happens. There we go. It's loose now. I'm going to clean some of that water off my stamper, though. And then I'm going to slide that decal face down onto the stamper. And I'm going to pat it some more, because I really don't want water between my decal and the nail. Alright, so let's get the other ones over here. Got a bunch of stampers out, a bunch of water slide decals out. We're just going to do them all at the same, because once they're dry and sitting on the stamper, you're not in any rush. You can take your time. Letting that one just sit. I'm going to let this one sit. I love this technique. It definitely makes me happy. You don't even have to have like this cool little glass pipette or whatever. And you can see they're just sliding right off. Dabbing the extra water off. Lovely. So easy. So easy. So nice. And also with dabbing it with the paper towel, it kind of flattens it out a little bit. In case you got a wrinkle. Okay, this is Color Alike Golden Queen. And I've decided I'm going to do a little teeny bit of sponging some of this across the nail a little bit, just because I felt the need for something else, you know, extra. So I'm just going to go from one side to the other, just kind of dab it in. And I should have just kept it light like this one's looking, but no, I get all heavy-handed here. See, here we go. Fixing to go all heavy-handed on it. But it's okay, because this is what I really wanted anyway. I wanted kind of a good view of that gold, that golden queen underneath there. So I'm just kind of going over all of them, make sure they kind of look a little, you know, similar. They all got enough. Now this one down here needs some more. Give that one some more love. Alright, so now I think we're just about wrapping up with that. Alright, so I'm going to apply some of the Maniology Sticky Base Coat to these to apply my water decals. They're water slide decals, and I want to make sure they stick. Got to kind of line it up, make sure I'm on the nail. Alright, so I got it on there, and now I'm going to use my finger just to kind of smooth it out some. And I'm telling you, these are so nice and thin. They work so great. Got my little Maniology, I call it my little boot tool. It looks like a little boot. Use that a little bit, my fingers a little bit. Get them smooth on there. We're going to go back and clean up any excess and overhang here in just a moment. But I wanted to get these all on here. And I know from this view you're thinking, well, you can't even hardly see them. When I get done, I was very pleased with how good they looked. Almost like one of those hidden manicures, but not quite. It's not bam in your face like most of my manicures, but it's very cool. Alright, so here I've got my cleanup brush with some acetone on it, and I'm going around the sides to melt it down to the side and across the end, trying to get some of that off. I did trim some of it off with the little scissors, and we're going to get any overhang or anything like that off of here. Give it a little quick wipey wipe and scrub with the little back of my brush, mostly tapping, wiping, rubbing a little bit, swishing. We're doing all of that today. But definitely want to make sure that this kind of sticks down to the nail, but there's nothing extra to stick out, you know, to be scratchy and pokey and all that good stuff. Alright, so that's done. I'm going to be using the Maniology's Aqua Topper over these. And this just kind of like starts to seal them, but it's not going to smear them or anything. I'm even putting that over the accent nail, or the other nails. And now for the Moonshine Mani Let's Go top coat. And I love this. I put this glossy top coat over it, and it's just like they were encased, like under a glass or something. I really, really like this one. And I am going to use that same top coat over here on the other nail. I wanted to leave a couple of nails just plain, you know, like how I did them. And there is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.